Hi everyone! I wanted to share these really cute little embellishments right here. So I thought these would be really cute to dangle off of like a chunky charm or off of a project. So I was thinking you could add a jump ring right here to the screw and go ahead and dangle it off of a project. So the first time what I did was I took the disc out and then I put it over my little wreath right there, and I tried to eyeball it, and then look, it came out crooked, so I didn't like that. So for the bee, what I did was I took the screw completely off, and then I got the little disc, and then I laid the little bumblebee over it, and then I stretched as far as I could, but without having it snap. And then I just went ahead and I pushed it down over the disc, which was a little bit of work to do. As you can see in this one, it takes a little bit of effort. So there it is right there. I think that looks good. So then I went to the back of it and I just took one of my fine tip pens. It's one of my markers. So I just wrote on the cross stitch fabric so I can see where I need to go in and cut. And then when I cut it, I just cut right on the inside of my line. So I'm just going to go around the edge, pulling the fabric back, just roughly writing on the fabric. So I just have kind of like a little idea of where I want to cut. Then you're just going to go ahead and push that on out. So you see I have like a rough idea of my circle there. So I'm going to cut just on the inside, not too much, but just right along the inside of the circle. Just going to go ahead and cut all the way around. Now on that first wreath, I did try to put some of this polyfill to make it puff up, and I just think the whole thing just came out like a total mess. So I'm not going to be doing that again because I like the flat look. You see this one's a little bit flat, or you can see on this one it has like a little poof, and it was just like right there, not even like evenly around. So I'm like, you know what, let's just not do that again. The other thing about this is you see how it's like cut and it's dark in there. It does leave your edge a little bit kind of like grungy and dirty looking, so I didn't like that, but I didn't think maybe I could wipe it with alcohol. That might be good. And then I was thinking about maybe painting these, especially like the Christmas ones, and maybe do this in like a yellow. So I might be taking these back apart and then painting them. So I'm going to do this one again where I'm going to try to get it pretty centered. So I'm just putting my finger on top of the image and then kind of just pushing around to see that that's centered again. And then I'm going to, you know, open this as wide as I can without feeling like I'm going to break the wood. And then just kind of slide it over. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the screw back together. So these, I did not make these. I actually bought the cross stitch on Etsy. And then see, once I got to about here, I needed to use my pliers to tighten it. Now I didn't want to tighten it too much because like I said, I don't want to break that wood, but I did want it to be nice and secure. So there's that. And I did buy a whole set. I did do a haul. So I bought some bees, some wreaths. I got some Christmas and some larger Christmas ones, and then some Halloween ones over here. And I got these from Bella Rose Craft on Etsy. So that's my quick little project right there. I just wanted to share with you guys because I did buy these from Hobby Lobby in the embroidery section, and a lot of you asked what I was going to be doing with these, so this is what I had in mind. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.